Well. Look what we have out here. We finally working on the Subi, guys. This is not the 300 special though, trust. Wyatt? Oh. Hi, Wyatt. Alright, Alex. What are we doing? We're cleaning the Subi today. Oh, yeah? We're bringing it back to life. Yup.
Titus is cleaning the truck, guys.
Yup.
I said truck, retake.
Trunk?
Bro, you need a belt, bro? Well, Titus is cleaning the trunk while I'm over here picking up trash.
Yup.
Look what I found, bro. This is for your phone, and then this is a mic.
I found some legendary loot.
Yo.
Okay, guys, finished the trunk. No spare tire. Nah.
Why you put that ugly carbon fiber chicken on bar? I'm trying to have that red one.
Okay.
Put this one on.
What? Is this Dad's?
Yep, this is the one Dad always wanted to put on.
Wait, why didn't he?
Because he just didn't. This is one my dad always wanted to put on. Oh, for that? Yep.
Oh, that's the one?
If it don't fit, I'll be so sad.
For real.
Nope.
Wait, is the thing?
Is there an adapter?
You're doing anything, bro. So when I was like 8, my dad got this Type R shift knob. I didn't know what it was.
Your dad?
He got it, and then my dad was telling me to bring it downstairs for him. And so while we were bringing it downstairs, I was running down the stairs, and then I had the box, but then it slipped out the box, and there was a big like, what's it called? Scratch on it. Yo, because it felt like 3 feet. Yep.
Oh yeah. Yo, that was even up.
This is what the inside looks like right now. And then, boom, transition.
Oh, yeah, dude. We got some good Pokemon cards, bro. This car's full of treasure, bro.
Alright. Tell them what happened.
So, like, the cat is eating Wyatt's food.
Yo! Tell them what we did to the car.
So, like, we took out the trash, as you can see. Yep. Now we got to vacuum it.
Yep. So where's the vacuum?
Right here.
Yep. Oh, shoot. I think there's spiders in there. Dude. Can I pet you? Alright, guys. Wiping the car now. Okay, I'm gonna stop recording.
So what are we doing right now, Titus?
Soap the car.
Dude, you're nutting all over the car, bro.
No, you can't say that. It's so stupid. It's way easier than scrubbing it. Okay, you can stop recording. Or can you unwind it a little bit? This is no full auto, right?
Hey, no photo in the building. No photo in the building.
You gotta shake it up.
Bro, this is just a trick shot, bro. Do a trick shot.
Oh, sweet. What is that? Is that for mine?
So, how much you get this car for, bro? This your new car, right?
Free.
Bro, you broke it.
What the heck? Oh, I forgot. Oh, you gonna chip your car, dude. Oh, You know what those two red things are?
They're horns.
Yeah, they're so loud. Okay.
I think you missed a spot, bro. I think you missed
Go. Sorry.
Bro, too much recoil, bro.
Dude, look at those dents.
Bro, why'd you make those dents, bro?
So like, this is semi-automatic. Fully automatic.
Nobody get everything wet over here.
Oh shoot.
We're cleaning the interior. I just see that cameraman because he doesn't want to work.
Yes, I do. I just don't know what to do. Look, I got a brush. Look, this is what I was doing.
New tactic. Spray inside the...
Then clean it.
Alright, start. I'm gonna do the other side.
So we found the thing for the camera. My mom's been looking for this. Okay, guys, I'm trying to take this off so we can fix this because this don't work because Wayne broke it. Yep.
Call Wayne now, bro. It's crazy.
Yep. Wait. Yeah, it was Wayne. Yeah, after you change the e-brake out, then you're done. Did I do this right?
That's bro takes it. It might be connected. There's a small screw right here on the side that you take out. That'll keep. Okay. That's so much work. Can't catch it. Alright, this side. Allah, very good.
No, this is for
that's
up
good.
here, right?
Yeah, that's good. Yeah, you just do that.
That looks stupid. I was locked in. What was that?
No.
Okay. Oh, okay.
Ah.
Oh, this should come up. How do I take this off now?
Two little kids trying to work on a Subi, guys.
So where is it disconnected at?
I don't think that's a wire, bro.
It shocked me.
Actually.
No, there's no battery in the car. Where's it at? Oh wait, where's the bolt? It's not right here. So pull that screw out.
How do you do that, bro?
Wait.
How do you do that?
This whole thing's connected. Okay, Alex just randomly got it.
I think we do have to take this off.
What if we put the car neutral?
W
speed.
W speed edit.
Alright, boy.
Bro, easy access, bro.
So, boom. Yo, I don't think it's supposed to do that.
Pull it all the way down.
Sorry. Where does it go? Oh, wait. I have an idea.
Chris face.
Chris fix.
Ah.
Found it? Understand it now. So look, so you gotta go like this. And it basically just won't fit, and it's not long enough because it's ripped off. Wait.
Can you push it? You can push it closer.
Yeah. Yeah. We didn't get it, but it's okay. Look.
Alright, so like, Titus got a new pet now.
That's why they call me the alpha.
Hey, what's his name? What's his name?
His? I think it's a girl.
I mean, her name. What's her name?
Honda Civic #2. Was that not funny? No.
It's cute.
Oh, I know what we should name her.
What?
Cat. Is that not funny? I love cats.
Meow.
Meow, meow. Okay, I'm sorry. Sorry, kitty.
Yeah.
Wait, you gotta do the meow sounds.
See you, bro.
Kitty, kitty, kitty.
Believe it.
I'll protect you, I'll
I
protect you.
don't think I can't like you, bro.
I'll protect you, I'll protect you. Here. Come in here.
Your new home.
Come here. Good girl. I'm sorry, I'm sorry. Can I keep her? Wait,
I don't know.
I think I'll get her
That's it.
to trip out. Who's that? Oh, sorry.
Alright, guys. Degrease the engine. He has his earbuds in. Okay, degrease.
I mean,
and look at him. Fire expert, by the way.
he's a firefighter.
Yeah, firefighter, by the way. Look at tail. Got a whole mask on.
Firefighter tail.
Firefighter tail.
Yo, hold this, Titus. You like this size?
You're fucking scared.
It went like this, huh?
Can't see you.
You better stop, drop, and roll.
Yeah, okay, there you go.
3, 2, 1, go.
Do a flip. Speed next.
Hey, do it. Hey, okay. Okay, Matthew. You got this.
You made it hella long. Wait, yo, why are you making so long? Alright, go ahead.
You just gotta jump hella high. So was it scary?
Nah, that's fun.
I didn't know if I could do it at first. Look at it. It's just glistening. Drop it. Oh yeah. I think that's good. I think that's good.
Cook, bro.
And let me stand on it.
Thumbnail.
Hey, make sure you stand on the post, bro.
You're gonna break that shit.
You gotta go fast. Go.
It's too big.
Alright, am I good?
Yeah. Get up, bro.
Oh!
I found the perfect stick, bro. I found the perfect stick, bro.